Back in the boatyard, this is a swim platform that was beat up, mushed up, and 40 years old off of a 50-ish boat, motor yacht. This swim platform is being rebuilt. This is the material that goes inside here. Notice there's no wood. Also, they've cut out these holes here, here, there for cleats and for bolts, what are called hard points, where this swim platform will be bolted onto the brackets on the stern of the boat. You can see this 2x4 and all of these clamps. This is used to squeeze this material down into the old swim platform. They had to dig out all of the trash, the debris, the rotten wood, the plywood, the balsa coring. So now they're putting it all back together and they're getting it as flat as possible. And before you ask how much this job cost, the guy doing the job, a friend of mine, he's guessing $6,000. And the reason he's guessing is because they're not finished and they will have to work on the top side. This is the underside that goes on to the brackets. The top side down here, I just got some resin on my finger. So you can see the top side of the swim platform bracket there. They'll have to cut out all of those brown spots for the water to vent, so you don't have a hydrostatic crash when wave action's blowing up and down on the back of the swim platform. So if you're buying a used boat and the surveyor says that the swim platform's in pretty bad shape and it needs to be repaired, on this 50-ish foot boat, this swim platform is going to be in the neighborhood of $6,000 plus. So that's something that you need to be aware of when you're pricing your boat, negotiating a discount. Do you want the seller to have this fixed, or do you want to take a discount and fix it yourself? If you want to learn more about marine surveys or boatyard repairs, ask Captain Chris.